welcome back to the Happy Way Kitchen. So for today's Fun Friday recipe, I'm going to be making a vegan vanilla slice. So what you're going to need for the recipe is I've got Happy Way vanilla vegan protein powder. I've got some coconut milk, almond milk, some corn flour and some rice malt syrup to sweeten, some vanilla extract, and then for the base I've got some soaked medjool dates, some almonds and some rolled oats. So there's two parts to this recipe. To make the base, I'm going to simply blitz the almonds, the oats and the dates in the food processor and blitz it until it's a nice doughy consistency. Then I'm going to mould it into the base of this silicone mould. And then to make the vanilla custard, I'm going to be using the stove for that and simply mixing up the almond milk and the corn flour on a medium heat and stirring that until it forms a nice thick consistency. Then I'm simply going to add the remaining ingredients, mix it all until it's all nice and smooth, and then turn it down to a low heat and continue to warm that until the mixture thickens. And then I'm going to pour that into the silicone moulds and set that into the fridge for about 2 hours. And then I'll garnish with some desiccated coconut and they'll be ready to eat.